President and Assistant Principal, Mr. Evan Wexler, to the stage for the presentation of certificates and installment. Homeroom representatives. When I call your names, will the homeroom representatives please stand? Jonathan Freitas, Max Nichols, Jovina Raphael, Matthew Serrano, Alejandra Flores, Jaylynette Maldonado, Maya Rizalski, Aliyah Lanier, Gia Logan, Sridhar Radhavara, Hamza Shusha, Gianna Tavares, Mobeen Asgar, Braden Farber, and Charlie Ortega. Please raise your right hands. As duly elected homeroom representatives, you will be required to attend all meetings, relay information discussed back to your homerooms, and bring any questions or concerns your classmates may have to the student council. Do you accept and pledge yourself to fulfill the duties of homeroom representative? I do hereby declare you duly installed Student Council homeroom representatives. Congratulations. Please come forward. Give them another round of applause. We will now begin with our officers, beginning with Treasurer. Treasurer Cameron Hansen, please stand. Please raise your right hand. Cameron Hansen, as Student Council Treasurer, you are required to submit a financial statement to the President and keep accurate records of all financial transactions. Do you accept and pledge yourself to fulfill your duties as Student Council Treasurer? I do hereby declare you duly installed Student Council Treasurer. Congratulations. Please stand. Please raise your right hand. Mia Urbanski, as Student Council Secretary, you are required to keep an accurate record of all the proceedings of Student Council meetings. Do you accept and pledge yourself to fulfill your duties as Student Council Secretary? I do hereby declare you duly installed Student Council Secretary. Congratulations. Vice President Eva Ducci, please stand. Please raise your right hand. Eva Ducci, as Student Council Vice President, you are required to assist the President at request and to assume the duties of office whenever it becomes necessary to do so. Do you accept and pledge yourself to fulfill your duties as Student Council Vice President?
I do.
I do hereby declare you duly installed Student Council Vice President. Congratulations. your right hands. Maria Mikhail, as Student Council President, your schoolmates look to your leadership, integrity, diligence, and dedication. You are required to preside at all meetings and represent Horace Mann Community School with dignity and be respectful of school rules and policies. Do you accept and pledge yourself to fulfill your duties as Student Council President? I do hereby declare you duly installed Student Council President. Congratulations. Officers and representatives, please stand. I would now like to present to you the Horace Mann Community Schools Student Council officers and representatives for the 2023-2024 school year. Congratulations. I would now like to introduce Principal Dr. Catherine Quinn.
Boys and girls, family, friends, thank you for being here today to witness such a special occasion. We witnessed the inauguration of our new student council, a remarkable group of young leaders representing grades 5 through 8. It truly fills my heart with pride to see these dedicated individuals stepping up to serve our school community. As we conclude this installation ceremony, let us remember immense responsibility that comes with leadership. Our student council members are entrusted with the task of being the voice of their peers and working tirelessly to make our school a better place. Thank you for being a part of this special day, and here's to the fantastic year ahead. Congratulations to our new student council members, and may their journey be filled with success and meaningful achievements. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. I would also like to thank Mrs. Mulray for stepping up and being our student council president. Mrs. Dutton was here late last night, putting up the decorations and making beautiful ribbons with the stars, so I want to give her a nice round of applause. And thank you, boys and girls. You are a tremendous audience today. Like we had when they did their speeches, you really listened to what they had to say, you expressed yourselves in voting, which was really very important. This is the first time that you were voting as a citizen here in school, but you will be as a citizen as you grow. So thank you for participating very well. We appreciate your clapping and your applause for our new student council.